use of the Welsh language can play a part in our lives in many ways, including technology. This video will help you to change the language on Facebook on your phone or computer. It changes the language of the interface only, not the language of your friend's status updates, so don't worry. Start by opening Facebook on your browser. In the bottom left of the page, click on the language you're using, for example, English. Then a window will appear to choose the language you want. We'll choose Welsh, Cymraeg. Then you'll notice the Facebook language will change. You can also update your language by going to the account page. Click on Language, then select your language from the drop-down menu. And that's it. The simple process enabling you to change the language of Facebook into Welsh. Doing the little things and increasing your use of Welsh with technology goes a long way. You can find more videos giving further instructions on our website.